George and Cindy Anthony's attorney, Brad Conway, confirming the couple will take the stand against Casey on the Today Show. He also revealed two of the key areas prosecutors focused on during recent sworn depositions with the Anthonys. West reporter Bob Keeling joins us live. And Bob, in both of these areas, the Anthony's testimony could do some real damage to Casey's defense.
Yeah, in fact, Martha, an Orlando defense lawyer we've been consulting says it's the defense team's worst nightmare. Casey's own family will be called upon to systematically assassinate her character. After long hours of sworn depositions at the state attorney's office, their attorney says George and Cindy Anthony will take the stand against their daughter in her murder trial. Brad Conway told NBC's Today Show, in the depositions, prosecutors focused on what kind of mom Casey was and
the events between June and July when they discovered Kaylee was missing was their focus.
Orlando defense attorney Richard Hornsby says prosecutors will call upon the Anthonys to testify about Casey's behavior before Kaylee went missing and the lies she told after.
That's going to be the most damaging thing, I think, to Casey's defense, is that her own family is essentially going to be called upon as to assassinate her character.
And if the Anthonys try to backtrack to protect Casey, their previous sworn statements can be introduced as testimony.
They're boxed in. The answer doesn't come out. They're going to say, turn to page 10, look at line 12. Didn't I ask you this question? Didn't you give this answer?
That, in turn, will force Jose Baez and Casey's defense team to spend a lot of time refuting testimony from those who knew Casey best, her own family.
It's a defense attorney's nightmare to have to deal with something like that.
Now, Hornsby predicted the most difficult and emotional testimony to watch in the murder trial will be from George Anthony. He said his demeanor yesterday was a clear indication of how conflicted he is to testify against his own daughter. Jim.
Bob, thanks a lot. Local judge is being scolded by the state for what it calls conduct demeaning to her office. Volusia